The BJP MP Anurag Thakur has stated that Nehru-Gandhi family has always disrespected Babasaheb Ambedkar. He also stated that Nehru himself conspired against Ambedkar to make him lose the elections and forced him to quit politics. He also added that 3 generations of Congress did not give Babasaheb Bharat Ratna. He further stated that the Gandhi family that used to torture and ignore him, today when they have been exposed in front of the country in the parliamentary session, they are compelled to go out with Babasaheb's photo. Let's now listen in.
संसद भवन में आज बीजेपी का प्रदर्शन हो रहा है अंबेडकर के अपमान को लेकर के। आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से
इतिहास गवाह है कि किस तरह से नेहरू गांधी परिवार ने अंबेडकर जी का अपमान भी किया, राजनीति से बाहर करने का षड्यंत्र रचा। यहां तक कि नेहरू जी ने स्वयं चल के सभाएं डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के खिलाफ की और उनको चुनाव हरवाए और उनको मजबूर किया राजनीति छोड़ने पर। 3 पीढ़ियां पंडित नेहरू, इंदिरा गांधी जी और राजीव गांधी जी, इन्होंने भारत रत्न बाबा साहब अंबेडकर को नहीं दिया। आज ऐसी कौन सी मजबूरी आ गई कि राहुल गांधी जी, प्रियंका गांधी जी को बाबा साहब अंबेडकर की फोटो लेके घूमना पड़ रहा है? जो गांधी परिवार उनकी ओर देखता नहीं था, अपमानित करता था, प्रताड़ित करता था, आज जब उनका चेहरा बेनकाब देश के सामने संविधान की चर्चा में हुआ है तो कांग्रेस की मजबूरी बन गई कि अंबेडकर जी की फोटो लेकर निकलें। लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि बाबा साहब अंबेडकर के दिए संविधान को कभी भी नेहरू गांधी परिवार और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने माना ही नहीं। सबसे पहला संशोधन नेहरू जी ने ही करने का काम किया, अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी पर एक तरह से प्रहार किया। उसके बाद इंदिरा गांधी जी ने पूरा संविधान को ही बदलने का एक तरह से काम किया और
All right, my colleague Manohar joins me live on the broadcast. Manohar, now what is in fact the BJP stating, as we have heard earlier, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju and now BJP MP Anurag Thakur stating over the fact that this is the Congress who had earlier insulted Babasaheb Ambedkar, but now coming to in fact protect his ideology at this point for political gains. Manohar.
तो किस तरह से बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के खिलाफ जो है लोगों ने बोला कि बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के खिलाफ अमित शाह ने जो बयान दिया है, इसे लेकर के कांग्रेस लगातार प्रोटेस्ट कर रही थी। और अब आज जब बीजेपी के सांसदों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया है तो उन्होंने कांग्रेस से माफी मांगने की बात कही है। अनुराग ठाकुर ने बताया कि किस तरह से कांग्रेस ने बाबा साहब का हर वक्त अपमान किया है, चाहे इस्तीफा लेने की बात हो, कई कमेटियों में उन्हें शामिल नहीं करने की बात हो, भारत रत्न न देने की बात हो, उनके लिए जो कन्वेंशन सेंटर बनाने की बात हो, और ये सारा काम जो है मोदी सरकार के कार्यकाल में किया गया है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 2014 से जब आए हैं तब उन्होंने किया, और साथ ही साथ उन्होंने कहा कि वो जेब में संविधान रखने वाले हैं। सीधे तौर पर राहुल गांधी साधा और कहा कि जेब में संविधान लेकर के चलते हैं लेकिन संविधान को नहीं पालन करते हैं। उन्होंने बार बार संविधान की हत्या की है और ऐसे में कांग्रेस को माफी मांगना चाहिए। तो ये अनुराग ठाकुर ने मांग की है। जी।
All right, Manohar, thank you for in fact giving more information on this very controversy. Now joining me live on the broadcast is political analyst Rajalakshmi Joshi as well. Appreciate you joining me live this morning. But unfortunately, in fact, this is a morning of drama and chaos. From the visuals we are looking from the parliament, earlier it was the one nation, one election, where the now constitution of the JPC is going to lead in fact the consensus that emerges from the house of the parliament. But recently it is on the ideology of Babasaheb Ambedkar, which has led to the war of words and a big uproar in the parliament. How in fact do you react to the centre versus the indie bloc narrative on who belong to Ambedkar more?
A very good afternoon, and I don't think that we could actually talk about who belongs to Baba Saheb Ambedkar, because like Professor Nalapat was saying, that some leaders, they are above and beyond politics, I would say. So all the contributions of all these leaders, I don't think that anyone can appropriate them. So that is something that the BJP has been trying to say over the past so many years, whether it may be about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, where they said that the Congress has been talking as if they are the only ones who are maybe own that kind of a legacy, but then they have done nothing to respect or to give them their due. Similarly, it is about Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and it is about some other leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose as well. So this thing about where the Congress has just picked up one or two particular lines out of Home Minister Amit Shahji's entire speech in the Rajya Sabha. I think that is a very smart trick, something on similar to their narrative of Samvidhan Khatre Mein Hai. So this is just an addition to that, is what is how I see it. So I believe that actually, very frankly, this what Amit Shah ji spoke in Parliament, in that I think it was probably his second best or the second fiercest speech after his iconic speech where he spoke about Article 370 and about POK. I think that this one is something where he has actually completely destroyed the opposition, talking about how they keep mentioning the name of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, but they actually, what they're actually doing is something totally contrary to it. So he had actually put out all the facts on the table, and the Congress very smartly has diverted from all of it. They chose not to respond or not to rebut any of the other points that he has spoken about, but only they have picked up a couple of lines and they have chosen to hype that and keep speaking about it. I think that is a very good smart diversionary tactic. So what Amit Shah ji was speaking about was how this constitution has been changed by the very people who keep talking about how the constitution is something that they live by, they breathe by. All the time they keep holding up some small copy of the constitution which they claim to carry in their own pocket. So that is something that the BJP has been finding very hypocritical, and that is why they have called out all of this. See, even before the constitution was put into use, even before that, actually Pandit Nehru has amended a couple of things. So, this thing about how the Congress has amended it when in power 75 times. And so that actually means that they are not actually respecting every word of what he says. So when they talk about how somebody is going to disrespect the constitution, disrespect Baba Saheb's legacy by changing the constitution, that is when the BJP chose to show them the mirror by saying that you have actually changed it 75 times. So how are you speaking about anyone else? So, and also they have rightly pointed out that Baba Saheb Ambedkar was not given the Bharat Ratna over all those years in rule. 55 years in rule, they did not give him the Bharat Ratna. And that was given during the time of the Janata Dal, when I think when Mr. VP Singh was in power. So in 1990, he was given the Bharat Ratna. So it took them so many years, and it didn't take Jawaharlal Nehru ji any time to give himself the Bharat Ratna, is what the BJP is saying. So I think that they have actually rightly pointed out a few things wherein the Congress has very vehemently tried to put Baba Saheb Ambedkar out of the Lok Sabha by very viciously opposing him when he was contesting for the Lok Sabha elections. And so they are asking, how much did you actually respect Baba Saheb Ambedkar when you keep talking about him and you keep mentioning his name so many times? So very frankly, I think that they have actually tried to show a mirror, but then the the Congress has very smartly picked up just a couple of lines because they did not have any other answers to any of the other questions posed by the Prime Minister, by Nirmala Sitharaman ji, by any of the other BJP leaders and especially Amit Shah ji. So then that is the reason why they have picked up just a couple of lines and they're making a big hue and cry out of it, and they are trying to create a situation of on this narrative similar to.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.